Hello students, now in this session I will explain question number 1 of exercise 13.1. So let's concentrate on this particular data because according to the questions there are some data are given and these all are some parking charges. Okay, that is for 4 hours you have to pay 60 rupees. If you're parking for 8 hours you have to pay 100 rupees. For 12 hours you have to pay 140 rupees and for 24 hours you have to pay rupees 180. Okay, so what you have to verify is that whether this all the data which are given, that is a parking charge which are given, are in the direct proportion or not. For that you have to get the individual ratios for each data. Fine, and you have to verify whether the ratios of each data are same or not. If it is same, then we'll say yes, they're in direct proportion. If the ratios are different, then we'll consider these data are not direct proportion. Fine, so let's check it out. Now 4 hours 60 rupees 60, so we'll write it down in this way. 60 rupees when you're paying, you can park your car or any vehicle for 4 hours. Now if you're paying rupees 1, how many, what is the time limit? It would be less, that is 4 by 60. If you reduce it, then your answer would be 1 by 15. 4 ones are 4, 4 15s are 60. That is the first ratio you are getting as 1 by 15. Let's move on to the second one. So if you're paying 100 rupees, how many hours you can park? For how many hours you can park? That is 8 hours. That is rupees 100 would be equivalent to 8 hours. Fine. But when you're paying 1, see, every time I am looking for the ratio for rupees 1. Okay, so that will really verify whether this all data are in direct proportion or not. So again it will be less, obviously. So 8 by 100. Now when you will reduce it, suppose you're reducing with 4. So 4 2s are 8 and 4 25s are 100. So your answer is 2 by 25. So it's itself showing that when you're comparing the first two values, that is one is 1 by 15 and 2 by 25. So these two datas are not in direct proportion, as because the two ratios are different. Let me check out whether any other datas are proportion to each other or not. So 12 hours, for 12 hours you have to pay 140. That is, when you're paying 140 rupees, we can park for 12 hours. So similarly, when you will pay 1 rupees, how many hours you have to, it will be allowed to keep? That is 12 by 140. Again, let us just reduce with 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 70s are. Again with 2, 2 3s are, 2 35s are. See, again I am getting a different ratio. So none of the ratios are matching. Now let's check out with the last one, that is for 180 rupees, you can park for 24 hours. So 180 is 24 hours, isn't it? So for 1 rupees, how many hours we can keep? That is 24 by 180. Let us reduce with 2. 2 12s are 24, 2 90s are. This two can again be reduced by 2. 2 6 are, 2 45s are. So your answer is, can I reduce these two numbers are again reduced by 3, that is 3 2s are and 3 15s are. So your final answer is 2 by 15. So do you really see that any of the ratios are similar to each other? No. So when you can write this down, since 1 by 15 is not equals to 2 by 25, not equals to 3 by 35, not equals to 2 by 15, isn't it? Am I writing right? So we can write, hence the given quantities are not directly proportional. So you can write, hence the given quantities are not directly proportional. Fine. So this is a solution of question number 1. So in my next session, I will explain question number 2. For now, thank you. All of you take care and stay blessed.